Life is like an unsolved puzzle. It has different layers and many colors. Your purpose of life is to bring all different pieces together. There are literally millions of possibilities for the things to go wrong. It might look very overwhelming, but somewhere you have to start. It is very important that you get the clarity. You should know what you actually need in life. I believe that every human needs 6 things in life: health, wealth, love, happiness, purpose, and freedom. And I think that each has its own color. White represents health, blue represents purpose, orange represents wealth, red represents love, green represents freedom, and yellow represents happiness. Health is the most important thing in life, and nothing oversees it. As they say, a healthy man wants 1,000 things, but an unhealthy man only wants one. So once you have achieved your health, now you can pursue other things as well. Now you can get some more purpose, some more freedom, some more love, some more wealth. Also try to look from different perspective, from different angle, one piece at a time. And soon you will have some more wealth, more love, more freedom. And there would be times in life when you will feel that everything seems fixed, and at the same time nothing seems fixed. And that's called the paradox of life. So now here comes the belief. So believe in yourself and keep fixing one piece at a time. And with time and patience, you will see you are getting closer to the life that you always wanted. So now, after achieving everything, you still feel the void. You still feel that something is missing. And now you have to do something that you have never done. And that is the only way to move forward in life.